Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is your boy Visionary B with the Visionary Money Show coming at you live Monday through Friday with a live stream on Saturday. Trying to give you some financial news you can use. So if you don't mind, go ahead and press that subscribe. I wanted to start the day off talking about one of my favorite small cap stocks. Small cap stocks are expected to do better than large cap stocks over the next decade, and this is one of my favorite. Greenbox is a blockchain payment processing provider. Basically what they do is they provide payment processing for a lot of low risk / high risk payments. A high risk payment would be considered somebody like a CBD distributor. Even though CBD and hemp is legal, a lot of the other payment processors don't like to process the payments for them. But Greenbox is a company that's been rapidly increasing their payment processing volumes. They've increased it from about 40 million a quarter to 320 million a quarter. They're expected to do about 1.2 billion in payments this year. And if they can continue to increase at this rate, I do see a potential for a 200% return. Right now, I'm sharing with you an article from Seeking Alpha, and they were saying that they believe that their share price could appreciate up to 260%. Maybe even 600%, and they was showing you their due diligence. They recently have a partnership with Fiserv and Visa, and they've called them actually and talked with some of their representatives at Fiserv and Visa as part of their due diligence. They're on track to cross the Billy mark for the first time this year, and next year, if they can continue this rapid improvement, then the stock price should appreciate. Also, they do blockchain payment processing, so that is another thing in the future. A lot of people would like to pay with crypto, so that's another stream of revenue for the company. But they have been focusing their efforts on developing a risk assessment system with the chargebacks. A lot of companies, when you're dealing with high risk people, you deal with a lot of fraud, a lot of chargebacks, but now they have this proprietary software which actually allows them to minimize that and build on that. So I'm going to link the Seeking Alpha article for you to check it out for yourself. But Greenbox right now is trading at about 11, high 11, low 12s. I do see the potential for it to be trading probably about $30 to $40 within the next 12 months. So that is a 250% return on your cash. So I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and actually I bought 5,000 shares, and I plan to buy a couple more. I sold some puts to get into my position, and I'm going to sell some calls to get out of my position, so that way I can capture some premium on the back end while I'm waiting as well. So that is one of my favorite small cap stocks. And I also wanted to share an article with you all about some of these other small cap stocks that are expected to do well in 2021 and 2022 as well. Oh, and one last thing about Greenbox. They've been growing their volumes, right? So this year is going to be the first time they're at 1.2 billion. But if they can get their processing volumes to about 4 billion or 15 to 20 by 2023, and they're trading at a 25 times multiple, you're looking at a share price of about $80 per share. Now that's if they continue this momentum, but if they just stay where they are currently, you're still looking at a share price of about $25. And if you can look at the chart, you can see that what their competitors, what type of multiples they're receiving. So if they can get a fair multiple right now, they have the lowest multiple of all their competitors. Worst case scenario, $15 a share. Best case scenario, $80 a share. And right now it's trading at 12.30 a share. So put that on your watch list. All right, rapid fire, 9 best small caps for you to buy in 2021. First up, ticker symbol ACB, Aurora Cannabis. It is a Canadian cannabis producer. They have a price target on this of about $24. It's starting to gain legalization efforts, so that's one to watch out for. Sonic Automotive is one of the largest U.S. auto retailers. Used car sales have been on a tear this year. They have a $67 price target on that, Bank of America. So that's one you can look at. Revenue was up 25% in the fourth quarter. 2020, it's only going to get better second quarter 2021. Next up, COB, Core Laboratories. It's enhanced oil recovery techniques for oil and gas. They have a price target on that at $44. Next up, Biosys Pharmaceuticals, BCRX. They have a flu drug and some other drugs in the work. Has a price target of $13. Bank of America said that is a buy. Next up, what do we have? We have a company in the hold on. We have Frank's International. It provides tubular services to the oil and gas industry. It announced a merger with private UK company VZIO. They make TVs. Price target of about 33. It IPO'd at 17.50. It went to 26, but it still has room to run. Tenneco, TEN. They do performance systems. They have a buy rating on that. Pros Holding is specialized in price optimization software with travel sales and business-to-business sales. Everybody's about to be traveling. $56 price target on that. That will be an AI system. Weatherford International, WFTLF. They provide equipment and services to the gas industry. They project earnings to go up 16% annually by 2025. They have a price target on that of 28. So those are the ones to watch out for in 2021. ACB, SAH, CLB, BCRX, FIVZIO, TEN, PRO. If you're looking at some small caps and want to get better than an 8 to 10% return, those are some companies you can invest in. See you tomorrow.